Hey foodies, welcome back to Tasty Cuisine. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of chocolate. Have you ever found yourself staring at the array of chocolate options at the store, wondering which one is perfect for your recipe? Well, you're in the right place because today we're talking about the different types of chocolate and which one you should use for various culinary adventures. Let's start by breaking down the main types of chocolate you'll encounter. First up, we have dark chocolate. With a high cocoa content, dark chocolate brings intense flavors and is perfect for those who love a deep, rich taste. It's fantastic for baking, melting, or savoring on its own. Next on our chocolate journey is milk chocolate. Creamy, sweet, and a classic favorite, milk chocolate is a great all-rounder. It's ideal for cookies, brownies, or simply enjoying as a snack. Now let's talk about white chocolate. Despite not containing cocoa solids, white chocolate is a sweet indulgence with its smooth, vanilla-infused taste. It's perfect for desserts like truffles, frostings, or drizzling over fruits. Choosing the right chocolate depends on what you're cooking. If you're baking a decadent chocolate cake, consider using dark chocolate for that intense flavor. For a classic chocolate chip cookie, go for milk chocolate to balance sweetness and richness. And let's not forget about white chocolate for those elegant desserts. From white chocolate mousse to dipped strawberries, the possibilities are endless. Here are a few quick tips for choosing the right chocolate. Look for a high cocoa content if you want a more pronounced chocolate flavor. Consider the sweetness level depending on your recipe, and always use high-quality chocolate for the best results. And there you have it, chocolate aficionados, the lowdown on different types of chocolate and when to use them. I hope this guide helps you navigate the chocolate aisle with confidence. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious content, and let me know in the comments which chocolate is your go-to for baking. Until next time, happy cooking!